I am Dr. P.R. Parthasarathi, HS Vision from Chennai. This video is for those who have recovered from COVID-19. Congratulations on your recovery. The recovery from COVID going back to baseline health may take time. The length of the time may vary from person to person. Some of the common symptoms individuals will have following COVID-19 are extreme tiredness, fatigue, a loss of energy, persistent cough, breathing difficulty, muscle weakness and joint stiffness, loss of appetite, swallowing difficulty, sleep problems and nightmares, flashbacks, particularly if you have been in ICU, changes in the mood, anxiety, depression, and memory problems. The aim of this initiative is to provide information on how to maximize your recovery from COVID-19 and get back to your baseline health through improving your respiratory muscles. Breathing exercises. The breathing exercises are to be done in a well-ventilated room or in an open space. You should sit comfortably in a chair and you should relax your shoulder muscles and neck muscles while you are doing the breathing exercises. Each breathing exercise can be repeated 5 times. Number 1, diaphragmatic breathing. Keep one hand on the abdomen, the other hand over the chest. Take in deep breath through the nostril. As you are breathing in, you can feel the hand over the abdomen moving forward. Once you have filled up the entire lung through your inhalation, slowly exhale through the mouth. As you are exhaling, the hand on the abdomen will go inwards. This will put the muscles of the diaphragm into contraction. Pursed lip breathing. Sitting comfortably in a chair, try to take a deep breath through the nostril after relaxing your shoulder and neck muscles. Once you have reached the maximum, exhale the air through the mouth as if you are blowing out a candle. Segmental breathing. Keeping your hand in this position, sitting comfortably in a chair, take in a deep breath through the nostrils. As you are breathing in, you can feel the movement of air into the apex of the lung. Once it has reached the maximum, slowly exhale the air through the mouth. As you are exhaling, slightly apply pressure over the apex of the lung using your fingers. Costal breathing. Keeping your hand in this position with your fingers on the side of the chest. Take in deep breath through the nostril. As you are exhaling, you apply pressure over the side of the chest using your fingers. Thoracic expansion exercises. This has to be done in the standing position. Keeping your shoulder and neck muscle relaxed, slowly inhale through the nostril. As you are inhaling the air through the nostril, slowly lift your arms above the shoulder level. Once it has reached the maximum level, slowly exhale through the mouth. As you are exhaling through the mouth, slowly bring your arms to the sides. Clasping your hand behind the head. Slowly inhale air through the nostril. As you are inhaling, push the elbows to the back. As you are exhaling, you push the elbows towards the hip position. Keeping your hands on the side of the body, slowly inhale through the nostril. As you are inhaling, slowly raise your hand above the shoulder level. Once it has reached the maximum level, slowly exhale through the mouth. As you are exhaling through the mouth, try to bring the hands down to the normal position. Breathing a rectangle. Sit comfortably in a chair. Choose an object which is rectangle in shape, be it a door frame or a window frame or a TV monitor. There are two sides, the short side and the long sides of a rectangle. You inhale through the nostril. As you are inhaling, you move your eyes from one end of the short side to the other end of the short side. Once you have completed that side, you exhale through the mouth. As you are exhaling, you move your eyes from one end of the long end to the other end. So this can be repeated. Short sides to be used for inhalation and long side to be used for exhalation. Breathing control while walking. This can be done while walking or when climbing stairs. You breathe in, take one step. You breathe out, take one or two steps. The last one is incentive spirometry. This exercise uses an equipment called incentive spirometer, which is available in the pharmacies. Wherein you have to blow in through a mouthpiece, and the air which you are blowing into the equipment will push the colored balls inside up. Once it has reached the maximum, you can take it out and automatically the lungs will get filled up. This is also a breathing exercise. Thank you.